In this video, we will see how to use the gimbal, because there is many features on the gimbal that you might not know that are kind of important to know. First of all, if you want to recenter the gimbal, you can double press on the joystick and it will recenter it. You can also use a custom button to do that if you program it this way. Now, there is 4 modes of gimbal. If I move my finger down here, I've got the gimbal menu over here. So into follow mode, what it will do, I'll put it this way, it's more easier to understand. If I move left, it moves left. If I move right, it moves right. Just follow that movement. If I move down to look down, it will look down. However, there is one axis that it will not follow, and it's this one. It will keep the horizon level all the time. Follow mode, smooth every movement, but keep the horizon. The next mode is the tilt lock. So this one will do the same principle. It will keep the horizon, but as you can see, it remain level. It keep the horizon no matter what. You cannot film down with this mode. Now, if we go into FPV, here, same principle, left, right. If I go down, it follow down, but here, you see, it's just following. So no more horizon lock. And the last one is FPV with a reverse T. So what is the difference with that? It's all about the recentering, as we saw at the beginning. So if I go here, for example, on FPV normal, if I point down and I recenter it by double pressing it, you'll see that it will look forward. It's now arisen. So if I move down again, double click, move back to looking forward. Now, if I go into FPV, the center, the other FPV, the last one, the center will always be, for example, if this look up and I want to recenter it, it will be parallel to the device, just like if you film with your phone. It's just this, the recentering will be always in the same orientation of the screen. So that's the difference. There's another thing that is important to know, and it's that the joystick, when you hold it, is kind of a hold of the gimbal. So as you can see now, the gimbal follow the camera, but if I press and hold the button, now when I'm moving the camera, it always remain in the same direction, no matter, whoops, now I've just hit it, but you see, now I hold it and it's just remaining focused into the same direction, leveling and everything. So you can remove that lock from here, for example, and now if I move up, it will, I'm in follow mode, but it will follow from there. So that might be interesting to use. For example, if you film something like that and you want to drop your camera down, but now I'm in a mode in which it would follow. So if I want to drop my camera but keep the same axis, I can hold it, take it down, and now I'm just slower but in the same angle. So this is how you use the gimbal of the DJI Pocket 4. I hope this was helpful.